Student, today's topic is genetic code and properties of genetic code. Actually, what is genetic code? It is a message which is carried by mRNA from DNA present in the nucleus up to the ribosome, that is the site of protein synthesis. That message, it is called as genetic code, or it is the language that translates the sequence of nitrogen bases in DNA into the amino acid of protein. See here, this is codon. Where this codon is present? It is present on the mRNA. And what is codon? 3 nucleotide on DNA or mRNA which specify one amino acid. It is called as codon. Here GCA, it is a codon. Some codons are redundant, means code for same amino acid. See, we will see here, this is DNA. These are 2 strands of DNA with their sequence of nitrogen bases. You already studied transcription, in which on one strand of DNA this mRNA molecule is synthesized. That process is transcription. Or message of this DNA, it is copied by this mRNA. And during the process of translation, according to this message, protein molecule, they are synthesized. So, various activities they are performed within the cell, and this activity they are performed by this, or they are controlled by DNA by formation of mRNA. This is a language, and that language is called as genetic code. Protein synthesis, transcription. You know that during the transcription, according to sequence of this DNA, mRNA molecule is synthesized, complementary molecule. Means A, if on DNA there is A, and on mRNA A pairs with U, or there is a uracil. If here there is G, then on mRNA there will be C. And codon, 3 successive nitrogen bases on mRNA constitute the codon. See here codon, every combination of 3 nitrogen bases or the later 3 nucleotide is equal to 1 codon is equal to 1 amino acid. Here introduction to genetic code, the letter AGTC. What are these AGTC? That is the nitrogen bases: adenine, guanine, thymine and cytosine. Correspond to the nucleotide found in DNA. They are organized into codon. The collection of codon is called genetic code. There are different codon. Actually 64 codon are there, and that codon they are called as genetic code. For 20 amino acid there should be 20 codon. Previously scientists, they didn't know how many codons are there, so they postulated certain hypothesis. Each codon have 3 nucleotides to impart specificity to each of the amino acid for specific codon. First, they believe that if there will be 1 nucleotide is equal to 1 codon, then only 4 combination they will be possible. 2 nucleotide is equal to 1 codon, that is 4 into 4. How many combination they will be possible? 16. These 2 hypotheses they were discarded, as amino acid number is 20. So these hypotheses they are discarded, and 3 nucleotide is equal to 1 codon. So 4 into 4 into 4, that is 64 combination they are possible. They are most suited for 20 amino acid. Let's see this in detail. Genetic code. What is master molecule? Which is master molecule of cell? Which is master molecule? DNA, because it control all activities of cell, that initiate, guide, regulate and control the process of protein synthesis. This DNA control all activities of cell through the protein synthesis. To perform this complicated function, it must carry the requisite information for the synthesis of protein. And this information, it is in the form of codon. See here, this is nucleus and this is cytoplasm. In nucleus, from DNA, mRNA molecule is synthesized. This is called as transcription. Means message of this DNA, it is copied by this mRNA, and that message is about protein synthesis, and it is in the form of codon. See here, codon. 3 nitrogen bases, they form a 1 codon, and this is actually a genetic code. Message carried by mRNA from DNA present in the nucleus up to the cytoplasm or up to the ribosome, that is the site of protein synthesis, and that message is about protein synthesis, and it is called as genetic code. See here, this is ribosome and tRNA molecule, and this is growing polypeptide chain. Amino acid correspond to the codon are added to the growing polyprotein chain. You already studied this in protein synthesis. See, this is a message. It is in the form of codon. This AUG, it is a starting codon. This is the second codon, GGA. This is the third codon. And this codon pair with anticodon and specific amino acid, it is brought by this tRNA, that specific tRNA. This is the translation, actual process of protein synthesis. It is called as translation. See some historical events which are concerned with the genetic code. Where this information is located? Located in the DNA. And where it is stored? It is stored in the sequence of nucleotide, that is nitrogen bases, that is AGCT, as evident by Yanovsky and Sarabhai in 1964. I already explained you how many amino acids are there? 20. And how many nitrogen bases are there on DNA or RNA? 4 types of nitrogen bases are there. These 4 bases to identify, DNA has 4 nitrogen bases to identify these 20 different amino acids. Then these nitrogen bases on DNA: adenine, thymine, cytosine and guanine. Then question arises, how is it possible to that 20 types of amino acid are encoded by 4 nitrogen bases? I already explained you. 4 into 1, that is 4. If one base is equal to 1 amino acid, then possibility is 4 only. Means A code for 1 amino acid, G for 1, C for 1 and T for 1. So only possibility 4. But if 2 bases code 1 amino acid, possibility 4 into 4, that is 16. So again these two hypotheses they were discarded, and third hypothesis proposed, in which if 3 bases is equal to 1 amino acid, then possible amino acid will be 64 and codon will be 4 into 4 into 4, that is 64. And this 64 codon, they are sufficient to code this 20 amino acid. The existence of a 3 bases triplet code was confirmed by experiment by Francis Crick and his colleague in 1961. The triplet code is degenerate, which means that each amino acid is coded by more than one triplet. We will see this later on in detail, that genetic code is degenerate. So 64 they are sufficient to code 20 amino acid. Here, see here, this is RNA, this is DNA, and nitrogen bases they are shown. On DNA, cytosine, guanine, adenine and thymine, and on RNA, thymine, this thymine is replaced by uracil, while remaining they are same, that is cytosine, guanine and adenine. According to Crick, this information is stored in the form of coded language, that is cryptogram, called genetic code, that contains code word codon, each one specify one amino acid. You know that while communicating, human being they use language, and in the same manner here there is a language, but this language is coded one, and that language is called as cryptogram, or it is also called as genetic code, which is in the form of codon. Genetic code therefore is a collection of base sequence that correspond to each amino acid. Suppose base sequence UUU, it corresponds to amino acid phenylalanine. What is meaning of triple U? That is phenylalanine. AUG, that is methionine in case of eukaryote. Means this codon they are having definite meaning, or it is a language or code word. See here, genetic code chart is shown. These are nitrogen bases on mRNA 4, and same means here AUC means aspirin. Then again I explain you, UUU, that is phenylalanine. Here parent strand, T means it is DNA strand. Where there is T present in the only, it is present only in DNA. Anticodon, tRNA. Amino acid form, if there will be anticodon AUG, codon AUG, amino acid will be coded by this AUG will be methionine, GGC, glycine, CGG, arginine, etc. And UAA, it is for stop codon. This is genetic codon chart. UUU, that is phenylalanine. Here this U and U, that is phenylalanine. UUC, phenylalanine. Here serine, etc. Translation start codon, translation stop codon. You know, stop codon UAA, UGA, UAG. Start codon AUG. Every 3 consecutive nucleotide in DNA will constitute a triplet codon. Genetic code is a triplet code. First was evidence first by Crick using frameshift mutation. Here see, this is mRNA and this is the same mRNA after frameshift mutation. What is frameshift mutation? Due to change in or deletion of certain nitrogen bases, this codon will change. See here, this first codon is same, that is AGC, but here the G is there, but UA, it is deleted, and so codon instead of this GUA, the codon will be GCC, and next codon instead of CCC, it will be CUA. Means whole frame changes, whole mRNA it changes. That is, see here, amino acid valine, proline and tyrosine. Here alanine, leucine and leucine. This occur due to this deletion of these two nitrogen bases, and according to Crick, due this genetic code is triplet, or it consists a language in which three nitrogen bases or codon they are present. Then Nirenberg and Mathai able to synthesize artificial mRNA. They first synthesize mRNA which contain only one type of nitrogen bases, that is uracil. Here see, this is mRNA which consists only uracil. And here this mRNA it consists different bases like A, G, C, G, U, A, but here it contain only one nitrogen base, that is uracil. Hence it is called as homopolymer. And this synthetic poly-U sequence was transferred to protein synthesizing enzyme, and as it a small polypeptide molecule was produced, and that molecule formed by linking phenylalanine molecule. Means this UUU it code for phenylalanine, and this polypeptide molecule form contain only phenylalanine. Later different homopolymer codon were dispersed. Then they synthesized many artificial mRNA with different nitrogen bases, and codon formed by two or more bases were also tried. Then Dr. Hargobind Khurana, he devised a technique for artificial synthesizing mRNA with repeated sequence of known nucleotide. By using synthetic DNA, Dr. Khurana prepared chain of polyribonucleotide with known repeated sequence of 2 or 3 nucleotide. Example CUC, UCU, CUC, UCU. This result in formation of polypeptide chain having two different amino acid placed alternately leucine and serine. Here see, it code for leucine and it code for serine. Again leucine and serine. Similarly, polynucleotide chain with 3 nitrogen bases repeat give polypeptide chain with only one amino acid. Example CUA, 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 leucine. Later, Severo-Oka established that enzyme polynucleotide phosphorylase was also helpful in polymerizing RNA with definite sequence in template independent manner, that is enzymatic synthesis of RNA. Finally, Nirenberg, Mathai and Oka disperse all the 64 codon in the dictionary of genetic code. Means this 64 codon they are dispersed by scientists Nirenberg, then Mathai and Oka. This 64 codon dictionary dispersed by these three scientists Nirenberg, Mathai and Oka. During replication and transcription, a nucleic acid is copied to form another nucleic acid. You know, during DNA replication, DNA makes copy of itself, and during transcription, DNA is copied by mRNA, or sequence of DNA is copied by mRNA. These two processes are based on complementarity principle. Means if there will be A on mRNA, there will be U. Like this. During translation, genetic information is transferred from polymer of nucleotide to polymer of amino acid. Here, complementarity principle does not exist. It is evident that change in nucleic acid genetic material result in the change in amino acid of protein. That is the mutation. If there is change in genetic material, at that time this amino acid will change. This clearly explains that genetic code directs the sequence of amino acid during the synthesis of protein. Means this amino acid sequence, it is determined by this genetic code. See here. This is the sequence of amino acid. See here, methionine, glycine, valine. It is determined by the genetic code. And actually the genetic code, it is message carried by mRNA from DNA. And that process occur during the protein synthesis. Most important topic, that is the characteristic of genetic code. First property, genetic code is triplet. Means genetic code consists 3 successive nitrogen bases on mRNA, and that sequential nitrogen bases, they constitute the codon, and that codon specify particular amino acid, and that base sequence is always in 5'3' direction. In every living organism, genetic code is triplet. See here, the genetic code is triplet, and it is always in 5' and 3' direction. Next property, it has a distinct polarity. I already explained you. It has definite direction. Means it always start from 5' and it always ends with 3'. That is, it always read in 5', 3' direction and not in 3', 5'. At 5' there will be AUG, and at 3' there will be stop codon. See here in this diagram. This is 5' end and this is 3' end. Means this genetic code, it always start with this 5' and always ends with 3'. At 5' there will be starting codon called as AUG, and at 3' there will be the stop codon, maybe UAG or UGA or UAA, any one of this. Next, Genetic code is non-overlap. What is meaning of genetic code is non-overlap? See, this is a mRNA with how many nitrogen bases? 6. These 6 nitrogen bases form only 2 codon. CAT or GAT or CAU or GAU. They form only 2 codon, not more than 2 codon, because nitrogen base used for one codon, it is never a part of other codon. If this T it is used for one codon, then it is never a part of second codon. Or if such happen, at that times 4 codon will be possible from 6 successive nitrogen bases. This is first CAT, second ATG, third TGA and fourth GAT. But this never happen. 6 successive nitrogen bases only form 2 codons, so genetic code is non-overlapping. See this property? Code is non-overlapping, that is, each single base is a part of only one codon and adjacent codon do not overlap. If non-overlapping, then with 6 consecutive bases, only 2 amino acid will be in chain. Had it been overlapping type, with 6 bases, there would be 4 amino acid molecule in chain. Experimental evidence is in favor of non-overlapping nature. Next, genetic code is commaless. Means there is no gap or punctuation mark between successive or consecutive codon. If these are 2 codon, 6 successive nitrogen bases, they represent only 2 codon. See here, not less than that. Here, non-overlapping means represent only 2 codon, not more than that. Here, not less than that. Why? There is no gap or punctuation or any nitrogen base, it is left in between these 2 codon as a gap or punctuation. So 6 nitrogen bases, they represent only 2 codon, not less than that. Then next, genetic code has degeneracy. Usually single amino acid is coded by a single codon. However, some amino acids are encoded by more than one codon. For example, cysteine has 2 codon, while isoleucine has 3 codon. This is called as genetic code is degenerate or degeneracy of genetic code. This is most important property, and this property first explained by Abel hypothesis. Here the first 2 bases in different codon are identical but 3 varies. Let's see the example. Here these first 2 nitrogen bases, they are same but third varies. And these 4 codon, they code same amino acid, that is valine. Here these 2 codon code lysine. Here UAU and UAC code tyrosine. See, genetic code is degenerate means a amino acid may be coded by more than one codon. It is called as genetic code is degenerate. So 64 codon and only 20 amino acid. So some amino acid they are coded by several codon. Here this is why this happen. See here, the GUU it code for valine, but GUC it also code for valine, GUA it also code for valine, or GUG it code for valine. Why this happen? It is due to Obel pairing. What is Obel pairing? Pairing between these nitrogen bases of codon. This is mRNA. So these are codon and this is tRNA. So this is anticodon. This is also anticodon. CAA it is anticodon. CAA it is also anticodon. See here, pairing between these two nitrogen bases of codon and anticodon it is specific. Means G pairs with C, U pairs with A, but here see, C pairs with A. This is Obel pairing. Means pairing between third nitrogen base of codon and anticodon. It is not specific, and that pairing is called as Obel pairing, and it is due to this ability of tRNA to recognize more than one codon as same, and due to this genetic code is degenerate. Means one amino acid, that is for example valine, it is coded by more than one codon. See GUU, GUC, GUA and GUG. They code for same amino acid due to this Obel pairing, and this is called as genetic code is degenerate. Again other example is explained. See here, leucine, it is coded by, this is mRNA, coded by CUC, CUU. Here leucine coded by CUC. This is normal pairing, C pairs with G, and this is Obel pairing, which is not perfect, U pairs with G. Obel hypothesis, who proposed it? Crick, for degeneracy of genetic code. According to this, pairing between two bases of codon and anticodon, it is perfect or normal, and base pairing at the third position codon is Obel. Here U pairs with, always pairs with A, but here it pairs with G, and this is Obel pairing, and due to this genetic code is degenerate. See next property, genetic code is universal. Means in all living organism the specific codon specifies same amino acid. Means this codon CUC it code leucine in all organism, means bacteria, human being, elephant, mango tree, etc. This is genetic, this is example of genetic code is universal. Then genetic code is non-ambiguous. Means specific amino acid is coded by particular codon. Alternatively, two different amino acid will never be coded by same codon. For example, here these two different amino acid, leucine and glycine, they are not coded by same codon. Here they are not coded by same codon. This property is called as genetic code is non-ambiguous, means there is specific codon for specific amino acid. one codon specify only one amino acid. Exception. There is exception. AUG for N-formyl methionine or FMET in bacteria and methionine in eukaryote. Here AUG always specify amino acid methionine in all organism. Here this is wrong in your 12th book. From bacteria up to human, no. It code methionine in all organism except prokaryote. UGA stop codon and selenocysteine found in selenoprotein. UGA stop codon and pyrrolysine. Then initiation codon and termination codon. You already studied this in the process of translation. AUG, it is a initiation codon present at 5' end. It code for methionine. Out of 64 codon, 3 they are nonsense codon, or which are also called as stop codon or termination codon. That is UAA, UAG and UGA. And they stop the process of elongation of polypeptide chain as they do not code any amino acid. Universal. Usually in all organisms, the specific codon specifies same amino acid. Then codon and anticodon. What is codon? It is a part of DNA. Example, AUG is codon. It is always represented as 5' AUG 3'. Sorry, AUG. It is present in DNA. Present in RNA. But it is copied by this mRNA from DNA. Anticodon, it is a part of tRNA. It is always represented as 3' UAC 5'. It is possible to predict sequence of codon on mRNA by studying the sequence of amino acid in polypeptide chain. If amino acid is amino acid is methionine, then codon will be AUG. We will easily predict the sequence of codon by studying the sequence of amino acid in polypeptide chain. See here, this is 5' end, this is 3' end. This is newly synthesized protein molecule. From this amino acid sequence, we can predict the sequence of codon on this mRNA. Suppose here there is methionine, then here codon will be AUG, like this. Again, we will revise the features of genetic code, which is the most important topic. It is triplet. Means each codon is a consecutive sequence of 3 bases on mRNA. Here UUU code for phenylalanine. It is non-overlapping. Means nitrogen base used for one codon, it is never a part of other codon. Or 6 nucleotide, they represent only 2 codon, not more than that. Third property, non-punctuated, or it is comma-less. There is no punctuation or comma between the codon. Means it is continuous. Means 6 nucleotide represent only 2 codon, not less than that. It is degenerate. Means when an amino acid has more than one codon, it is said that genetic code is degenerate. Unambiguous means without any doubtful meaning. One codon code only one amino acid. Then universal. The codons are same for the same amino acid in all species. That is the same for elephant and E. coli. Then termination codon. That is the nonsense codon, which stop the process of protein synthesis or elongation of polypeptide chain. And these are three: UAA, UAG and UGA, initiator codon. It always starts with AUG and it is having polarity, means it always starts from 5' and ends with 3'. Thank you friends.